Okay, starting with numerical number 14, a potentiometer wire has a length of 1.5 meter and resistance of 10 ohm. So if this is your potentiometer wire starting from A to B, it has length 1.5 meter and resistance 10 ohm. It is connected in series with a cell of EMF 4 volt. Okay, it is connected in series with a cell of 4 volt and having internal resistance, and the cell having internal resistance 5 ohm. So this is the internal resistance, and then I can connect this part to this. Okay, calculate the potential difference, that is V, per centimeter, means there should be length, and that is in centimeter of the wire. And what is this potential drop per centimeter, or potential difference per centimeter or per unit length? It is nothing but it is potential gradient. So it is potential difference per unit length in centimeter. You can also say it as potential difference per centimeter. So I'll have to convert the length into centimeter. 1.5 upon 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter. Oh yeah, it got converted into centimeter. Now, okay, what will be the potential difference across the wire? Potential difference will be I into R, right? Potential difference is what? I, that is the current, and the resistance of the wire. Potential difference across the wire, so resistance of the wire. Now, the current in the circuit, current in the circuit will be voltage upon the resistances. There are two resistance. First is of the wire, that is capital R, and then the internal resistance of the battery, small r, 5 ohm. So small r. So I can write it like this: 4 upon capital R is 10 plus small r is 5. So 4 upon 15 is the value of the current. So V upon L. So it will be I into R upon L. What is I? I is 4 upon 15. What is R? Resistance of the wire, that is 10 upon L. That should be in centimeter. It is 1.5 upon 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter. I'll take this. See, if I want to take this term in the numerator, it will flip. Means 4 into 10 upon 15 into 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. देखो, we are taking this term in the numerator. If you want to take this term, it is in the denominator. 10 upon this term is in the denominator. If I want to take it in the numerator, it will flip. Means 10 raised to minus 2 upon 1.5. तो ये नहीं बोला अरे ये तो ऊपर चल गया तो 10 raised to positive क्यों नहीं हुआ. We have just taken this term in the numerator. numerator में लेते हैं तब सिर्फ flip होता है, तो flip हो गया. 1.5 ऊपर था, 1.5 ऐसे फ्लिप कर दो. 10 रेज टू माइनस 2 ऊपर, 1.5 नीचे. नाउ 5 2 ज़ा 10, 5 3 ज़ा 15 and okay, 4 2 ज़ा 8 upon 3. You can make it 15 and write 10 in the numerator because we have point. After point we have just one digit. So you can remove this point by multiplying 10 in the numerator because after point there is only one digit. Into 10 raised to minus 2. So this 10 and 10 raised to minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1 remains. So now it is 8 upon 3 into 15. 3 into 15 is 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 plus 1. 45 into 10 raised to minus 1. Right? This will give you what? Potential drop per centimeter, per unit length in centimeter. नाउ यू कैन गो बाय 45 का टेबल लिख लो या लॉग लगा लो, जो भी इजी लगता हो. आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू गो बाय लॉग. एंटी लॉग, log of 8 minus log of 45 into 10 raised to minus 1. So anti log, only one digit, 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 का लॉग देखेंगे दैट इज़ 80, क्योंकि हमारे पास 80 का ज़ीरो 9031, 2 डिजिट है, 2 माइनस 1 इज़ 1, 1.45 का ज़ीरो, 6532 into 10 raised to minus 1. Now 0.9031 minus 1.6532. This will be 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, this will become 8, this will become 10, then this will become 9, then 12. 12 minus 3 is again 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So anti-log of bar 1.2499 into 10 raised to minus 1. Anti-log to 24 का 9 का 9. 24 that is 2 4 9 and 9 बराबर 1774 plus 4 1778. So it is 1778. एक डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट लगा दो इंटू 10 रेज टू माइनस 1 है ना, ये -1 है ना, तो 10 रेज टू -1 इंटू 10 रेज टू -1 क्या हो जाएगा, 10 रेज टू -1 10 रेज टू -1 हो जाएगा 1.778 इंटू 10 रेज टू -2. 10 रेज टू -2 मीन्स विल शिफ्ट द पॉइंट 2 digits over here. So मैं एक पहले से 0 लिख देती हूँ so that it becomes easy for me to move the point. 1 and 2 यहाँ आ गए. So it is 0.01778. ठीक है. अब यूनिट क्या लिखेंगे, पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट है तो यूनिट क्या होगा, सी पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट that is voltage, so it will be volt per. Length is in centimeter. So this is the answer. Okay.